Did you know that two massive continents are literally crashing into each other right now, creating one of Earth's most dramatic landscapes? Watch how this incredible collision shapes our planet. Deep in Central Asia, the Fergana Valley stands as a testament to Earth's raw power. Here, the Indian continental plate relentlessly pushes against Eurasia at about 5 centimeters per year, creating immense pressure that transforms the landscape. This collision has been ongoing for over 50 million years, forcing rock layers to fold and fracture like paper in a giant's hands. The resulting seismic activity shapes the valley's distinctive features, including towering mountains that rise over 4,000 meters above sea level. The pressure between these plates doesn't just create mountains. It triggers earthquakes, forms deep valleys, and continuously reshapes the terrain through a process called orogenic uplift. What other incredible landscapes do you think are being formed by plate tectonics right now? Share your thoughts below.